The Magic Garden of Differences. In a vibrant garden of the Be Different 365 Foundation, flowers of every shape, size, and color bloom together. Each flower is unique, just like the children and parents who visited the garden. One day, a curious child named Ali asked his mum, "Why are the flowers so different?" His mum smiled and said, "Just like these flowers, we all have special qualities that make us who we are." A gentle sunflower named Integrity shared his story. "I used to feel self-conscious about being so tall," he said. "But I realized my height allows me to provide shade for my friends and reach the sunlight more easily." A delicate daisy named Dorothy added, "I was worried about being small, but I discovered my petals are perfect for making beautiful bouquets." The garden's wise old tree, Barry, shared a valuable lesson. Being different is what makes us special. Embracing our uniqueness and learning from each other helps us grow and thrive. As the children and parents continue to explore the garden, they discover that everyone has their strengths and challenges. They learn to appreciate and celebrate their differences, just like the flowers' display of elegance and uniqueness. This beautiful garden is becoming a symbol of growth, diversity, and community. Ali and his mum, along with the other visitors, always feel inspired with a newfound understanding that being different makes us beautiful, and a growth mindset helps us flourish. Moral reference: embracing differences. Celebrate what makes you unique. Growth mindset: believe in your ability to learn and grow. Community: support and appreciate each other's strengths and challenges. To our participants, children and parents who have been part of this journey since June 2019, we say a very special thank you for your support and continuous engagement. To the Executive Mayor and Civic Mayor of Croydon, we honor your support of our Foundation's work and appreciate your presence. To all other esteemed guests and stakeholders who attended our 6th-year celebration and cultural event, we are delighted to see you all happy and engaged. To our global community supporters on social media, we appreciate your input on our posts and for helping build our brand. This story encourages kids and parents to appreciate their differences, develop a growth mindset, and build a stronger, more supportive community. Happy 6th birthday, Be Different 365 Foundation, and happy Father's Day and month to all the amazing men, mentors, and positive role models to our children in the community.